Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen flickering on your OPPO Find X9. So first, what you guys want to do is, let's unlock the phone. First, we want to head over into the settings, and in the settings, adjust our brightness. So, go to display and brightness. Right here, we will have the brightness, and now we need to make sure that we adjust it up to ourselves. So I need to keep it at this level because of the recording, but you guys can set it up to your preference. Now make sure that auto brightness is disabled. And after that, if there are still some flickers on your screen, you can go into the Play Store, and right in the Play Store, you guys want to actually download the screen dimming app. So go to search and search for screen dimmer, and then OLED Saver. This is the first app right here. If you have a sponsored app right here, I know that there's a lot of apps showing up and they are most likely paid. You need to download this one, click install, and it should install on your phone. So I'll get back to you once I install this one. So now the app is installed. Let's click on open, and we need to give permissions to the apps. So the first one is to modify the system settings. We need to allow the app to control our brightness. And the next one is the accessibility one. We need to go into the general and then downloaded apps, then select screen dimmer, and here enable it. Now, as you guys can see, you will give full permissions for the app, like view and control screen and view and perform actions. Basically, it's only because we are sometimes changing the overlay. So for an example, whenever we change our overlay, like our keyboard, whenever we rotate our screen, and so on. So now, after we gave the permission to it, we need to allow the notifications. And as you guys can see, all we have to do is enable the service, and here we can control our brightness however we'd like. So this should definitely help your screen. And if it doesn't, then what you guys can do as a last resort is go over into the settings and check for software updates. So go into the settings, leave the display and brightness, and scroll down until you guys see system and update. Here, click on software update right up top, and it will check for updates automatically. So as you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't and you have a button to download and install the newest version, then I recommend you guys do that because you need to keep up with the latest phone updates. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.